Hi teachers! This is a short demo tutorial about our activity New Year's resolution with GENIALLY. I love this tool. I usually use it to create the escape room for gamification. Look here. On the left, we have our tools. So we could write a text, we could insert student picture, student photo, upload image from device. Okay, this is a Christmas card made my student, but we also could insert student voice or a link video. I take interactive elements. This for insert voice, play audio. We could upload audio from device or record. Click here. Merry Christmas! Stop and save it. Okay, I could take another button to insert our video web link. Save. I would change this color. Okay, I could also insert interactive elements.